Before starting construction, you must get approval from your local municipal or panchayat office. This ensures your building is legally approved and compliant with urban planning rules. Submit your plot's sale deed, link documents, and encumbrance certificate. These confirm that you legally own the land and there are no disputes or loans against it. Get your house plan prepared by a licensed architect or engineer. It must include floor plans, elevation, and site layout with road access clearly marked. You need a structural stability certificate and NOCs from the electricity and water departments. These ensure safety and availability of essential services. Finally, submit all documents with the filled-in building permission application. Once verified, you'll receive your building permit, allowing construction to begin.